Hello, everyone, and welcome back. What you're about to watch is my shop build and competition with Vernon Hinkle. So sit back and enjoy. It's not a long one. It's only a 5-minute video, so you should be able to make it through it. I promise you'll be happy you did. Thank you. Now might be a good time to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't figured it out, I got a little emotional there. I'm actually trying to surprise my sister, who is Vernon Hinkle's wife, with this project. I'm actually making this project for her and get a little emotional. So I told you in one of my other videos that if you liked and subscribed, you get to see me cry again. You just might in this video too. So. Okay, you just saw me messing around with this thing. Well, it doesn't work with my inlay kit, so wood's too thick and just doesn't work with it. So, but it does work with a straight cutting bit and a ball bearing on the top. I can use it for that. This came out excellent. It's going to be used several times, I'm sure. So anyway, that came out good. I made this out of that, and then I cut a test piece. And I think it came out pretty good. But in this case, I think I'm going to do something different. Well, that was the most nerve-wracking thing I've ever done. Wow. A little bit of sanding, but what do you think, folks? I think it's pretty cool. Nice personalized cutting board. There, I just hit it with some 120 grit. After using 120 on a belt sander to get the, the maple and the cherry at even levels there, it wasn't enough really to put it through a planer, and I don't have a planer wide enough for this anyway. So, I think it looks awesome. It's not perfect, but then again, it is the bottom. So, let's sand the top and work on the inlay today.
Okay, everyone. Now what I got here is some epoxy, and believe it or not, it is my first time using epoxy. So for all you people out there that want to try something like this, please do. It was super easy. It was something I stressed about for 2 days, and it turned out to be the easiest part of the project. So go ahead and give it a try. There's plenty of videos out there. Maybe I'll do one in the future. As you can see, I'm pretty happy with it. I'll do one more detailed in the future on how to do this, but it's pretty easy. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell. Have a good one, everyone.